Self-practice 7.1b. The diagram below shows two diagrams of mathematics test marks obtained by two groups, Arif and Group Bestari. This is the mathematics test marks of Arif group. This is the mathematics test marks of Bestari group. Question A. State the distribution shape of the histogram for the two groups. The distribution shape of the marks of Arif groups is almost uniform, whereas the marks of Bestari group is bell-shaped with extreme values. Question B. Compare the dispersions of test marks between the two groups. Solution. B. The marks of Arif group are more dispersed than the Bestari group. Question C. Which group shows better results? Give your reason. Bestari group. Most of the marks are better. Now, let's go to question 2. The diagram below shows the survey results of traffic flow in two different locations. Each location records the speeds of 50 cars. Question 2a. State the distribution shapes in both locations. The distribution shape in location A is skewed to the right, whereas the distribution shape in location B is bell-shaped. Now we go to question 2b. Compare the dispersions of the car speeds in both locations. The car speed in location A is less dispersed compared to the car speed in location B. Question 2c. In your opinion, which location is a highway and which location is a housing area? Location B is a highway and location A is a housing area. See you next time. Bye-bye.